My name's Eric Diaz.
My name is Shanisha McNair.
I'm James Boston.
I graduated from the University of Texas at San Antonio.
I graduated from UTSA.
And also graduated from UTSA Go Runners.
Information Systems.
Electrical engineering.
I am a licensed professional engineer in the state of Texas, like Shanisha.
Okay, so wait, what's the question?
What's the coolest thing that you've done?
What's the most exciting project you've worked on?
But currently I'm working on big data analytics. It's something that's never been done here before at CPS. We're probably one of 3 companies nationwide that are doing this type of stuff. It's really leading edge for the company. Okay.
Yeah. Why big data? What's the relevance to CPS Energy?
We're looking at bringing in a system in-house called Critical Insights, and what we're doing is bringing in disparate information systems into one source that allows us to do stuff like vegetation management, theft at the meter, security, asset management, be interactive with our customers, be predictive with our information, knowing why somebody's calling in for the first time and understanding how to handle that before they even pick up the phone.
Probably the most exciting right now is a project that we're working on together, which is a microgrid. And that's exciting because not only what it's going to do for the customer there, which provides backup power where you can disconnect from the grid and still be energized, but I think it's a foundation that it's setting. Future microgrids are going to be huge on a grander scale. And so that's building on other projects that we're doing at what we call our Walsham substation. Not only are we doing FLIZR, which is fault location, isolation, service restoration activities, where we're putting sensors out on the line. We're bringing back data that's going to go into Eric's project, but we're also doing a large battery storage project. And we're also looking at the day where we have batteries on every home in the city. And how do we, yes, that's going to happen. It's going to happen.
Okay.
What's the most exciting project you've been a part of since being here at CPS Energy?
Well, not counting my energy storage project in 2009, I would say the most recent would be the electric vehicle public charging infrastructure that we implemented here in San Antonio.
Just correction, it's actually my battery energy storage project, but...
No, actually it was mine.
That was great! Oh, how did you do that? That was so innovative.
Hi, I'm Sarah Milner, and I've been a SAFE intern for 2 summers now, and I am attending Texas A&M.
Hi, I'm Adam Boland, mechanical engineering student at UT Austin.
My name's Max Tessalona. I'm a SAFE intern currently attending San Antonio College.
Hi, my name is Tilk Davis. I'm a graduate from East Central High School, and I'm currently enrolled at Texas State University.
While at CPS Energy, I would say the most interesting thing that I have done is frequent outage investigations.
One of my favorite experiences at CPS Energy so far has been testing software that was actually implemented by our energy controllers.
I've been able to look at a lot of different programs while doing these, including NetCatOps, the scan logs, Pi, Sime, GIS, all sorts of different programs.
The best thing about working at CPS for this past 3 years for me was being able to actually mess with some of the programs.
Being an intern here is not just doing paperwork. It's about working with your mentor, learning, and doing something that helps your department.
Of course, but overall, regardless of whether it looks good on your resume, it is a great experience. You'll learn a lot, and you'll have a lot of fun doing it. CPS Energy is a great place to work.
I'd like to say, if you're coming to this internship, make sure that you're ready to work, because there's so much stuff that needs to be done, no matter what department you're working in, and also it's a very valuable work experience that you're getting an opportunity to have.
Brandon Pixley, Manager of Infrastructure Security. My area is responsible for securing the network infrastructure for CPS Energy for our IT systems, as well as information. Cybersecurity and information security are important because information is what makes a company valuable. So for CPS Energy, things like plant data, grid data, customer data, all of those are important for our company to be able to do what we do and provide energy to the city of San Antonio. Sure, so it's great that you asked that. So what made me look at CPS Energy? Well, when I was graduating from UTSA, I had put my name into a pool of candidates for various internships. And honestly, I wasn't even looking at CPS Energy as a place to go to. But the recruiting office reached out to me and said, would you be willing to do that? So I did a little bit of research about CPS Energy. I learned that they do have a cybersecurity program. It was up and coming and being developed, and so I decided to give it a shot. And then, to be honest with you, I started out as an intern, and then I was hired on as a level 1 analyst, and then worked my way up through to becoming the manager of the department.
It didn't seem to take very long.
Because we're always looking for new candidates with bright ideas that are willing to look at the energy sector and take what they know from the IT side and apply that into the energy sector to make us one of the best municipal energy companies in the United States. We're like, I thought the same thing too, that CPS Energy, oh, it's a utility company, they use old technology, but we are improving our stances. You know, we're getting out there with smart meters. We're bringing in new technology to improve the way that we're providing energy to our customers. So we are using state-of-the-art technology. Sorry, somebody just went in my shot. So the most exciting thing or project that I've worked on here is the AMI smart meters. So we took out all these old meters that had older technology and replaced them with new smart technologies where it's wireless, it's secured, it goes from endpoint to endpoint back into our head-end system. That was the most fulfilling thing for me.